Hello, Connor. These are smiles and giggles. Can we have giggles today? Can we? Can we have some giggles? Show Mommy the giggles. I want to hear you laugh. I want to hear you laugh. You're getting all excited, kicking your feet. Oh, there's your feet. There's your feet. Hi. Hi, cute boy. How you doing? Are we gonna go do something fun? Are we? Look at your nose. Peekaboo! Connor. Peekaboo! Do peekaboos. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! What? Oh, your hand's cold. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk. Tell us. Tell us the stories. Tell us the stories, Connor. What? What? Tell me. Tell me. Look at those hiccups. Those old hiccups got you again today. Tell me. Tell me the story. Oh, my back. Tell me the story, Connor. Look what I found. I don't even think you'll take this anymore. You want this? Try it. He says, get that out of my mouth. Get that out of my mouth. I don't want that in there. No way, Jose. I don't want that in there. You're being nice to the dog, right, Liv? Okay, Hiccup boy. Let's go get some lunch. Let's get lunch. Let's go.